Hi and welcome again to Show Gear TV. This is our new product. It's called the Pixel Square. It's a matrix blinder, or what you call a pixel controllable blinder. There are inside 16 LEDs, which are the newest technology, COB, and the COB has 15 watts on each LED. It's possible to set it up for pixel control, of course, but in the menu it is also switchable for just blinder control with 4 DMX addresses. So for basic it can go with 4 DMX addresses, and for professional use, pixel control, it's 48 DMX addresses. You can see it in our new show.
What you got when the motherfucking beat drops? What you got when the motherfucking beat drops?